Today, I am going to show you how to set up the camera in the V380 Pro app. Many users face difficulties in operating the V380 app. The V380 Pro app in particular presents challenges when it comes to registration and login. Therefore, we will guide you step by step, starting with how to register and log in, followed by configuring the camera. First, after launching the app, you need to navigate through all the settings. You need to allow all permissions by selecting Allow. Once you do that, you'll be presented with two choices, register and login. The first thing you need to do is register on the V380 Pro app. This can be done either through your mobile phone or via email. In this demonstration, I will use a mobile phone. So the first step is to choose the region as Asia. Click on the mobile option that appears on the corner side. I am doing it from mobile, but you can also use email if you prefer. So I clicked on mobile, and since I have already selected it, I will now select the country code, which for India is +91. You should now input the mobile number that you intend to use for logging into the camera. Make sure you enter the correct number. After that, you will need to click on the next button, and a verification code will be sent to the number you have entered. Once you receive the code, make sure to input it here. You need to press next, and after that, you will receive a code, for example, 68. Enter this code, click on next once more, and then you will be asked to create a password. So you can set any password. The password must include a combination of numbers, letters, and digits, and you also have the option to use special characters like a symbol in between. Now, you need to click on the login button and enter the number with which you registered earlier. Where the account option is showing, enter the number there, and below that, enter the password you added a little while ago. You also need to enter the password here. Make sure that the number you entered earlier matches this password exactly, as it will be necessary when your camera logs into the app. As you can see, registering and logging into the V380 Pro app was quite straightforward. Now, let's move on to setting up the camera. Firstly, you need to provide power to the camera. Let me guide you through the steps to configure our Wi-Fi cameras. The first step is to connect the camera to a power source using the adapter. After that, you should go to the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device. Then the camera ID will appear as MVID and you need to connect it. In this manner, you will notice numerous options available and you need to search for the camera's ID and add it to the list. So, here is the ID and I have successfully connected it. Following that, you need to open the app and click on the Add Device option. At this point, you will notice a QR code located on the camera, which you need to scan in this manner. And once you have done that, you should proceed to click on Add Device Only. After that, you need to choose any area and then click on View Device. It will then prompt you to set up a password. You can set any good password. For now, I'm setting it to admin at 123 admin at 123. You can choose anything you prefer. You can select any password you prefer, just ensure it is strong and then click on Confirm. If you also need to set it up in Wi-Fi station mode simultaneously, you can do that here as well. First, you need to click on Wi-Fi station mode, then please select your Wi-Fi network. Here, you should add your home router and enter the password for it in the designated field. With the password, it should be exact, not incorrect. Otherwise, the camera will not go into Wi-Fi station mode. The camera is now in Wi-Fi station mode, and you can view this camera from anywhere. It was a very simple process. Our camera was configured within a few minutes, and we also registered and logged into the app. How did you like the video? Do let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel to watch the video. Thanks for watching.